Hi friends, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope your day is going great. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm your host Arelis. Now you guys, in today's video I'm going to be decorating my entryway for the fall season. Now you know, if you've been following me, that I don't have much space here. It is a tiny entryway, so for me it is always a challenge to decorate it. I do not want to clutter it up, but I still want it to be nice and cozy. I have to find a balance in that, so yeah, it's going to be a challenge, but stay tuned to see what I'm gonna do with this space. Wanted to see something different, so I decided to change out my lamp, and this lamp didn't always look like this. I thrifted these years ago, and this is what they look like, and I used to have these up in my bedroom, and I really love the shape of these, and they're quite tall, but I didn't like the color. On camera they might look black, but they are actually in this weird dark brown color that I didn't care for. So 2 years ago I decided to spray paint them white. I haven't used them until now, but looking back at this footage, I really like the dark tone, so in the near future I just might spray paint them black, but for now I'm loving the clean, crisp look. If you know me, then you know I like to change out my lampshades, and I found this cute square lampshade at the thrift store for only $1.25. Now I would have preferred it to be in a darker gray, but unfortunately, yeah, it wasn't a decision to make, so I decided to take it home with me, and I really love how it looks, and I do think that it goes so perfect with this lamp stand because it is also in this square shape, so I'm happy to come across it. I'm so loving this pretty white bowl, and I didn't want to put it in storage, so I decided to use it here in my entryway, and I just arranged a few pumpkins and some pine cones together, and I really loved how this looked, but I decided to rearrange it all together because, well, you're gonna have to wait and see for that. This vase, I already used it in my fall decor in my entryway last year, but I really love the look of it, so I decided to use it again this year. I really love this storage box that I also use as a seating. When people come in, they can use it to take off or put on their shoes. But when I didn't have the console table, I was able to put some decorative pillows on it, but unfortunately I don't have the space for it anymore. Now this gold wired basket, I really loved it in my summer decor, so I decided to keep it, and this is the point that I rearranged everything. I used some pine cones and some DIY fabric pumpkins that I made, and when I stepped back to look at the entire picture, I didn't like it, so I rearranged the white bowl and this gold wired basket because they didn't work together at all. And I'm sorry I don't have a footage for you to show you that, because when I saw it I immediately rearranged everything, but this is the final result. I decided to keep the white bowl quite neutral, using some neutral pumpkins and some gold pine cones, and underneath I simply used my DIY fabric pumpkins. And next I'm going to be decorating my credenza. And if you've been watching my home tours, then you know that this is the second area you walk by when you enter my home, coming in from the entryway. And I do love decorating this credenza for the different holidays. Sometimes I like to go all out. I'm not sure if you saw my Christmas decor last year. No, it wasn't last. Yes, it was last year. I did a Christmas tree, like this Winter Wonderland Christmas tree on here, and it was so big, you guys. I will leave a link of that in the description box below in case you want some inspiration for this year's Christmas. But anyway, for fall now I'm going to go a little bit in between. I'm not going to be doing a lot, but I'm not going to keep it to a minimum either. Now, you know that I did a haul on these lamps. In case you haven't seen that haul, I will leave it in the description box below. I did spray paint them because they had like this brown rust color, so I spray painted them black. And I also mentioned that they didn't have an electrical cord, so I did install that. And I think these were actually to be built on top of something, because as you can see here, I had to make this little indentation in the metal here so that the wire could come out and that the stand would lie flat on the surface. But anyway, this was really all easy and it was a quick fix. But I absolutely love how these look. They are so simple and clean and modern looking. And I like that they are really tall. But anyway, I am going to be installing these on my credenza. Since my credenza is this light creamy color, I didn't want the electrical cord to stand out, so I went with a white one instead of black, and I think it is so much better. It kind of looks like it doesn't even have a cord, so I really like that. Now, you remember I also did a haul on these lampshades, and you guys, I am so happy that I came across these, especially because they were so affordable. And you know that I like to switch out my lampshades twice a year during the fall season, so I was so happy that they got this color. And actually I did prefer a little darker tone, but this will do just as well. Now, leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you do this when you are decorating and making a mess. Do you clean up right after, or do you wait until you're completely done? I like to do it a little bit of both. It depends on the mess that I make. The other day I stumbled upon these dried grass in action, and I absolutely love the look of these, and they were really quite affordable. They came 5 in a pack for only $2.12, so in this phase I have 2 packs. But leave me a comment down below. Let me know how your experience with natural florals are, because once I got these out of the package, they were so messy, you guys. All this stuff was coming out, so I had to take them out, and I shake them out really well and then use some hairspray to prevent more of the falling out. But I love them, but I do think that they are a mess. Anyway, to finish this look off, I added my Mr. Owl. I moved him back from my entryway to this space, and I'm adding some of these DIY pumpkins that I made this year and previous years, and this is the final result. And that is it for this Decorate With Me video. I hope that you have enjoyed this, and most of all that you could have pulled some inspiration to decorate your space for this season. Now, I still have a few more Decorate With Me videos before I do my final home tour, so I do hope that you will hit the subscribe button and stick around to see that. Until the next video, I hope you always have a good day, and always remember to live, laugh and love, and I see you in the next one. Bye.